Hi everybody, I'm Lauren.
I'm Elizabeth.
And we are here for this month's All Access Flip Through. And we are going to talk to you today about March All Access.
Yes.
And holy molies, you're going to love it. It's a good one, isn't it?
It's a great one.
Oh my gosh, we have tons of great collections. We have a large release this month as well, but I'm gonna make you wait until the very end to show you what that large release is. So I'm gonna have Elizabeth kick it off and show you one of her favorite collections from March.
Okay, so first up we have the Bible bookmarks. I absolutely love these because we use cork. They're all fun and sparkly. They're perfect for a gift for maybe someone in your Bible club or just anybody at your church, really. That's why I love these.
Now, we have a great project collection for you. This is new to us and to you, but we made slippers in the hoop. How crazy is that? So wearable slippers, they're really cute. They have great embroidery designs on the front of them. We show you how to add the no skid, so they are hopefully safe for you at home too. But this is a really great project. Great for yourself, great for making a gift too.
So here we've got the rose mailing blackwork, and I absolutely love this because as you can see, we chose to embroider it on this really pretty blouse here. As we all know, you love to wear your own embroidery. Now traditionally, these can be stitched out with black thread. However, we chose a gold thread here, so feel free to shake it up and use whichever thread you like.
All right, now with Easter around the corner, we had to include our bunnies because we love bunnies, and ironic enough, this collection is called Love Bunnies. We patched our bunny, so as you can see, it's kind of just the back of him with these beautiful tulips, so we just trimmed out the design and added it to this denim coat. This collection has cute little bunnies of all sorts, some with their faces and their bodies too, not just their backsides, but we loved this one for a little hint of spring again to another garment.
The vintage seed packets, check this out. Now this is made with folded fabric on the borders here. Now we use burlap, so it looks like it came straight from a garden and perfect for that farmer or maybe even the gardener in your family.
I love this.
Yes.
Yes, we're ready for the warmer weather.
Oh yeah.
For sure.
100%.
Yes. Now, speaking of ready for warmer weather and excited for these flowers to bloom, I have the quilt for you as well.
Yes.
This is a beautiful, beautiful stained glass floral quilt, and it is really beautiful. For our applique here, we use different color vinyls, so it gives it a completely different look, that stained glass look, as it should. We have a beautiful thick outline on here for those satin stitches, and then of course, as most of our quilting does, it has a really beautiful stippling that goes around it too. So this is really great to lift up your spirits, hang in a window, anything like that, just anywhere you would love the bright colors of the stained glass bouquet quilt. Now, we are ready to give you exactly what you have wanted this whole time, and it is our large release special edition gnomes for all seasons.
Woo!
They are here, they have arrived, and we have just the best collection for you. So I'm gonna have Elizabeth help me out here.
All right.
So we have this beautiful collection. Now, these are gnomes that you can use. We have lots of different projects that these partner with as well that we show you how to make. So here's a garden flag. Your dowel can go right through here. We give you directions on how to make these. So we have, of course, this is very clearly a springtime gnome. We have all different types of fun projects. Now, this is really great. This is a gardening apron here that we've made, so you can wear this, and again we show you how to make this. You have your pockets for all your tools, another Mr. and Mrs. over here, so really, really fun. We know our customers go crazy for the gnomes.
Oh yeah.
Yes, and everything gnomes you love, so we've brought it to you. We even have this great gardening pillow that we've made as well. There's so many different projects that you can make with these gnome collections, and it's all year round. So we have fall gnomes and Christmas gnomes and just all gnomes, right? It's like we can't put gnomes on enough things for you all. So we have listened to you, and we are bringing you collections that you have asked us to release for you. And March is just an amazing month. We know you're going to love this all access. There are so many great designs in this month's all access. How can you not love it? Now, don't forget, not only do we have all of these collections in there, but each of these collections are coming with tons of different designs. We have special content features in there as well. You'll have your step-by-step directions, your machine steps, lots of education, lots of information, everything that you need to be successful with your embroidering and your quilting.
If you would like to join All Access, or if you have any questions, feel free to go to our website at anitagoodesign.com, or you can email us at customerexperience@anita-gooddesign.com, or you can even call us, and you might even get me on the phone.
Of course, Elizabeth, it would be a pleasure for anybody to talk to you on the telephone. She is this pleasant all day, every day, so it really is a treat. But as you can see, March is an exceptional month of all access. Thank you so much for joining us. We will be back next month for April's flip through. But as always, not only to stay connected with us via email or on the website, but don't forget we have tons of education on our social media, on our YouTube station. So stay in touch, like, share, comment on all of those platforms for us because it helps us to stay connected with you. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.